This is an automatic gas manifold system supplying test gas to a leak test bench. The equipment is used to test products, in this case gas safety devices, which require test pressures between 5 bar and 25 bar depending on the design. The job shown requires a test pressure of 25 bar. For the test process, the gas is always supplied from the gas cylinder with the lower pressure, until the pressure falls below the set changeover pressure, in this case 25 bar. The gas control unit, or GCU, switches the gas manifold system over to the fuller gas source now. And the test process with 25 bar can continue without interruption. The next job requires a test pressure of 15 bar. This pressure is now automatically set as changeover pressure by the test bench. Due to the priority circuit, the GCU switches the gas manifold system back to the gas cylinder, which still has a residual pressure of more than 15 bar, which is sufficient for the test procedure. For another test job, 20 bar is required now. This value is also automatically set as changeover pressure. Due to the priority circuit, the GCU consequently switches the gas supply system back to the gas source, still offering an appropriate pressure. The next job requires 5 bar only. The gas source with the lower residual pressure can be used again. The minimum pressure of 5 bar is reached now, and an ordering process is released. The gas source, which is almost completely empty now, is replaced, and thus an optimum use of the gas resources is achieved.